Start with the lights on, but this is my new OLIGHT flashlight. You got a USB-C charging right there, which is really nice, underneath the door. It's got 3 settings. It's got your lights up here. It's got a clip. That's like a double clip. So you have to clip it on a hat if you want it to like go forward, or you clip it in your pocket right there. It also has a magnet. Let's turn the lights out. You got 3 settings right here on the top, and you can see the top lights up. So I can go through the different settings just by holding it in. Look at that. You also have a UV sort of light. Well, not sort of, but it is a UV light. And the UV light actually has 2 different modes. So you could see, you know, someone spilled some stuff on my ground there and my shoes light up, which is pretty cool. It has a laser pointer as well. With any mode, you can put on the laser pointer. And the last thing you have is kind of like a spotlight, like so. So, oh, that's like not showing up right in the picture, but I'll make this a little bit brighter, but there's your spotlight. Extremely bright. I could turn off the laser like I said. And also I like that you can customize this. So I will, and I don't want to glaze over the cool buttons that light up. So look at that. It lights up, it tells you the amount that it's actually outputting. So if I go like up to the top, like down, and all the way up, and you can customize this guy. Look at that, family DIY. TV, pretty neat. This is the ArkPro. Crazy sales right now. This thing, everyone that's seen it wants it.